Right, hi guys. So this video, I'm obviously cutting a hedge, and I'm just going to talk through it, and at the end I'm going to tell you what sort of price you could realistically charge for something like this. So I'm based in the northeast, so obviously it's going to be different, you know, in wherever you are in the country. So I'm using my Stihl Kombi hedge trimmer here. I alternate between this one and my HLA 56 battery. For whatever reason, I just decided this one on the day. So yeah, so basically what I do when I cut my hedges is start with the top. I do a rough cut. It's the camera's kind of not quite picking it up. I don't know whether it's because the hedge is patchy as well. It's not quite liking it, but yeah, so it's a bit more of a rough cut than what it maybe looks like, because I do go over the top of it again. Obviously you've got to be careful if it's near any windows or doors or anything, so I don't go too close to that for obvious reasons. So once I've done the top, then I'll do a rough cut on the side and just try and get the desired shape basically. So these jobs are great to put back kind of when the grass cutting season finishes. The customer rents this house out to students, and you know, they weren't too kind of bothered when I did it, so this was one that I put back. So a little winter job, just to keep things ticking over. So what I'm doing here, I've just got the secateurs and I'm just kind of hand cutting along the window just to make sure obviously you don't hit the glass or anything. And obviously take a little bit of time with this. And I've got links to everything I use in the description box as well, if you guys want to have a look. So this is more of a level and cut, just to kind of neaten it up a bit more. I'm just looking at it here. You'll have to trust us when I say it was level and straight. Yeah, it's not quite shown. It looks fairly straight, to be fair, but there's a little bit sort of just under. Yeah, kind of a few inches beneath. It looks like it's kind of been cut at an angle. It hasn't. It was just literally a box shape. Anyway, it doesn't matter. Yeah, so just basically straightening it up, getting a bit more of a cut, and then going along the bottom, just making sure that's all neat and tidy as well. And all in all, this probably took about an hour, including tidy up. So what I'm doing now is I'm just kind of spreading these thinly on the ground, and I'm going to go over them with the mower. And this isn't a mulching mower, this is just a regular mower. Obviously collects it all in the bag and makes life a lot easier. Because I was taking the waste away here. If I wasn't taking the waste away, I wouldn't bother with this. I'd just rake it up and pop it straight in the bin. So this is a good one if you do have to take waste away. It just reduces the amount, the volume of it really. And it probably took an extra 5-10 minutes. What some people do if they do have a mulching mower is obviously mulch it, which basically means chopping it down multiple times, and then a lot of people just blow it back underneath the hedge, which is fine. I'm blowing kind of the rest here. There's not too much, but just blowing that. So price wise, you could, you know, I'm in the northeast. You could get anywhere kind of between 50 and 80 really for this. I would say in excess of 80 quid is quite a lot. I'd say you wouldn't want to be less than sort of 50-60 quid in my opinion. Obviously lots of factors in that, so that's just a very rough idea. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Please subscribe and like the channel. I've got lots of videos and pricing videos, so hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Right, cheers guys, bye.